Hi, welcome to Peptic Cooking.
Today let's see the recipe for rasagulla. The ingredients required are 11 cups of the whole milk. You can use other milks also, but the best result will come in whole milk. So 11 cups of milk, which is equivalent to 2.5 liters, and 3 lemons. We took the large size lemons. So you need to extract the juices of these 3 lemons, and you need to double it using water. So you need to distill the lemon juice. Then 5 cups of sugar. Let's see how to make rasagulla. Take a heavy bottomed pan and heat the milk until it boils, and you make sure you use a heavy bottomed pan because it will burn in the bottom if you use a thin bottomed pan. And also keep stirring the milk because we don't want that layer of skin forming at the top, and also we don't want it to get burnt. Now the milk got boiled, so turn off the stove. Once you turned off your stove, just add the lemon juice in a small amount, and keep on stirring the milk so that it will get curdled. And stop adding the lemon juice once the milk, every milk get curdled, and you get a liquid, clear liquid out from it. You can see the milk is getting curdled now. So now if you see the milk got curdled completely, we can see the lumps separate, and the liquids are so clear. And now you can see, like, I have used only half of the lemon juice. So it basically depends upon the quality of the milk you use. Some milk require more lemon juice to get completely curdled, and some requires less. So based on it, I mean, once you get this kind of curdles and a clear liquid, you can stop using the lemon juice. Once this girdle is ready, you use some colander like this, and a cheesecloth. If you don't have cheesecloth, then use some white cloth to filter out this girdles. We need to filter out this girdles, so be careful, it will be hot. Since we have used lemon juice to extract the curdle, you can in some rare cases get the flavor of lemon. So we don't want that lemon flavor in rasagulla, so we are going to wash this paneer. I'm going to wash it twice. Once you filtered out all the water, just squeeze out that cloth to the maximum extent you can, so that you will squeeze out all the water from it. And once you are done with the maximum squeezing, just tie up the cloth somewhere like this, or wherever a possible place you can, so that the excess water, whatever left over, will come out. So we are hanging it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can remove the cloth, and now you get a paneer of this kind. So we need to knead this paneer again for another 10 minutes, so that you will get a spongy rasagulla, and also, like, the shapes also will be good. So just make sure, like, you knead well for another 10 minutes. after 10 minutes of kneading, now the paneer dough is ready. You need to make small balls or whatever shapes you like, and usually whatever the size you make, it will double in it. So you can do accordingly. So before making the balls, I just applied some ghee in my hands, so that the ball will come out very smooth in the shape, like the round will be very very smooth. So this size will get double, and now the sugar syrup has come to boil. We can drop the balls. Be careful, it will be too hot. And here, since this ball will get expanded to a double of its size, we need to make sure like we take a wide pan, so that it will have enough space to get enlarged. And actually, since we got some 50 counts, we don't have enough space in this pan, so we transferred some of the quantity of sugar syrup to the other pan. So once you drop all the balls, just make sure like you close the lid and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. We'll open the lid. You can see like the size is getting expanding now, and even it will expand more. So just give it a small stir, and make sure like you won't do it hard because it will break. And yeah, you can turn and you can close it off. It's been 40 minutes now. Let's see. I think it's ready. We'll turn off the flame. The spongy rasagullas are ready. Let's see how it has come. Yeah, it has come very well now. See? It is so fluffy and spongy. We hope so you like this video. If so, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.